In this video, we are going to cover the color overrides feature of the Force 1.0. Now, it is highly recommended that you watch the Attribute Banks and Scenes Builder tutorial video prior to coming here. Okay, so once you're in run mode, you access the color overrides via a soft button located in the top right section of the screen. Simply press and hold the color overrides button, and you get immediate access to all 10 attribute banks via these 10 soft buttons you see displayed here. Now, each one of these soft buttons has a specific color associated with it. Those colors are dictated based on the customizable RGB, amber white, UV color mix you set per each attribute bank. Now, you'll notice here I have white boxes around 7 and 9. This indicates that I have these selected. Deselecting them is done simply by pressing the associated attribute bank again. If you want to select a color, you simply tap on it. To deselect it, like I mentioned, you tap it again. Once you select one attribute bank or multiple, it'll immediately override any internal decision-making process the effects engine is going through related to color generation. The effects engine will only utilize the colors that you select here, if any are selected. Once you deselect all colors here, it'll immediately trigger the effects engine to start generating its own decision-making regarding color mixing again. Now, by default, no attribute banks will be selected in color theme mode. One final aspect to mention here is regarding the particular attributes. Once I select a particular color, all attributes that are set utilizing the channel groups associated with that attribute bank will also be activated. However, any pan or tilt channels that have been assigned to channel groups will not be activated. Those will be free to be dynamically controlled by the effects engine when you activate a color theme. However, they will still be limited based on the pan and tilt movement restrictions you generate using the moving head test feature on the Force 1.0. Now, you can get out of color theme mode simply by hitting the return button, and you get back into the run mode screen. And keep in mind that any changes you make in the color overrides can be done in real time. All internal effects generation and automated controls are being conducted in the background. So you can make all these changes at will, and it will not impact your light show, aside for obviously dictating when certain colors are being utilized. And you can go in and out of the color overrides menu at will.